How to create line animations like this using the CapCut app. Open the text menu, tap Add Text, then type the dots, or maybe dashes, you want to make as lines. Don't forget to put an arrow at the end of your typing. Next, tap on the Fonts section, then select the font type that looks as bold as you like. Finally, tap on the Animation section, then select the effect name Type 1. Then set the duration to 1 second or whatever you like. Done. And here are the results. If you already have your own arrow line picture, import it into the overlay track. Then at the start of the clip, open the mask menu, select the horizontal option, then rotate the masking line to match the diagonal of the arrow line. Tap Invert, and then add a keyframe. Drag the timeline to the end of the animation. Then drag the timeline line to the end of the image. And adjust the feather as desired. Done. And here is the result.